Hey guys, got the Hobao out. Me and Tony out here running, making some test passes here. Got the GPS on. There's 0. Definitely picking up there. This car I've had some issues with as well, so we'll just see if it goes straight, and if it goes straight and it goes good, it'll be all right.
We're good over here. I don't see any flames. So.
Good. Okay.
It lifted a little bit.
Did it?
Yeah, it lifted a little.
I saw it look like it bounced a little bit when I hit something close to the center line.
It's a good pass. It just, I saw it lifting and then I could see you getting loose. So.
Yeah, it moved around a little more than I would have liked. I swear it acts like it's gonna drive straight now, and it didn't scrub that time, so.
Yeah, you might want to lower it a little bit. I think that might be.
Yeah, it's up there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was because the body, you know. I was like, raise it up a little bit. All right, moment of truth here. Read 158. That is not terrible for what it was. All right, guys.
That ain't helping you either.
Yeah, that's sweet, isn't it? Thanks for watching, guys.
Nothing a little duct tape won't fix.
Oh man, I've glued